Sonic driving on the corner. Shibwe again getting the rebound, flipping it up and down. Oscar Shibwe with the ball on the perimeter. Asmus using the double drag. Down low, Shibwe. Layup. Good.
I'm used to every time I look at the stat sheet, Oscar has 17 rebounds, but you know what you're going to get from him. Like, he's going to do all the dirty work. He's never going to complain.
Whether traveling around the G League, as well as being drafted by the NBA, being on two-way contracts, losing that two-way contract, and what a lot of the coaches have said.
To Kinsey. Harkless sends it to Shibwe, and that mid-range jumper is pure. Elijah Harkless pulling up. No good. Offensive board, Shibwe. Oscar Shibwe continuing the tradition of this league. Same goes for Stockton. Sacramento sent Devin Carter, who's coming off from shoulder surgery, as Oscar Shibwe makes the free throw line jumper. In the corner, Kinsey. Free throw line, Shibwe. Pumps, up, down. Oscar Shibwe, strong in the hoop. And two. Look at that, as Oscar stays a 4-point lead. Darion Sebron trying to find Shibwe. Can he get it to go? He does! Oscar Shibwe, another 3-point play. He moves to 25. And getting it on the nice roll. 20. Shibwe at the line. Front iron, gets his own board and puts it in again. Oscar Shibwe's got it rolling. 104-104. Look at Stars sit at 8. Down low, Shibwe. He's been unstoppable. And there he is again. Oscar Shibwe to 30.